Hello, everyone. My name is Joe Sardano with Census Healthcare, and I'm here today to introduce you to what we do at Census Healthcare. We are a medical devices company. We have a technology that's extremely unique for our market. It's called superficial radiation therapy, or SRT. Indications so far are non-melanoma skin cancer. We can treat without any surgery, without having to go through surgery, stitching, bleeding, or scarring. And we also treat keloids. We're the first company to have received FDA clearance to be able to treat keloids. We have new products on the market, one called Sculptura. We received an FDA clearance for Sculptura about 1.5 years ago. The unique thing about Sculptura is that it's a combination of IORT and brachytherapy, a hybrid of both. It has a robotic arm that allows us to monitor the breathing of a patient while they're under anesthesia. And our first indications will be that for breast cancer. So the best way to describe the procedure is ladies today who are identified with breast cancer will most likely have either a lumpectomy or a mastectomy. And during that surgical procedure, our equipment will be next to the bedside, and we will go into the cavity that is created by the surgeon, and we will emit very short pulses of radiation that are very minor and superficial in its way with using photon radiotherapy. It doesn't go through the body. It only goes to a point that the operator will allow it to go through without harming any of the good cells and only killing the excessive cancer cells that may be left behind after removing a tumor. And that will be the only radiation that a patient will have to go through rather than having to be followed up with 6 to 10 weeks of radiation therapy. So we're very, very excited for that product. And I think that we'll have it open to the market within the next 6-12 months. We are also bringing to market a new set of products which our customers, quite frankly, asked us to bring. They enjoyed the partnership that we developed with our existing customers. We're very interested in their business. We want them to be more productive. We want to help them with their cash flow. SRT has seemingly done that for them. And now they've asked us to come into the market with other products. And we asked them, what kind of products do you wish for us to bring to the market? And they said, lasers. I said, really? What kind of lasers? And they said, aesthetic lasers. And I said, why? And their answer, not by one customer, but by several, have you ever heard the story of how you get rid of a laser salesman? And I said, no, what's the answer? And they said, just buy one. You'll never see them again. And that's not the practice that we have. We stick by our customers. We work with them on a constant basis, both clinically and economically. So we do a lot of things for our customers that a lot of other companies do not do. But the key thing with our lasers is that they will be powered by a product that we call Sentinel. Sentinel is a IP and IT solution that nobody else in our industry has. We call them smart lasers. Why? Because they think. They can communicate with you. We can communicate with them. They provide excellent asset management tools for our customers. So if they have multiple lasers in multiple locations, they have a visual on their workstation or on their laptop or on their iPad. Even their iPhone and their iWatch can connect to these systems, and they know what the systems are doing each and every day, and they know when the machines are being turned on and who they're treating and how they're being treated. On the other side, there's also capability for patient data collection to be stored on the cloud. And so that makes it unique to this industry. From our standpoint, we're able to manage and navigate through any problems that the customer may have. 80% of all of the problems that could exist with that laser, as well as the SRT. We have had it on the SRT program working for the last 4 years, but we can monitor that and fix anything remotely that we can do. We're able to schedule a service engineer and a preventive maintenance to make sure that these machines are up 100% of the time, every time a patient needs to be treated. So there is no downtime for the physician. There is no rescheduling of anything. Our customers continue to benefit from the reliability of our products because of the smart Sentinel program that we have included.